long walk. Sorry, not the toy walk, but very filming.
Hands free. Hopefully intelligent.
Right, so let's see, Sam. Is she going to be sensible or not? Come, G, this way. Sensible dog. Oh! This way. It's this way, G. That way. Yeah, that's it. This way. This way, Pup. Round here. Gia, it's this way. Gia, this way. Come. Gia. You did it the other day. Come this way.
Where am I going?
Are you going that way then?
How?
No, you managed to squeeze yourself through that way. You weirdo, G. Oh. Well, at least you did it.
Yeah. Oh, it's muddy here.
Oh.
Ah!
Ah. Oh, hanging over my head. Get it all on my head. Right, the struggle is real, people. The struggle is real.
What's the struggle?
The struggle of life.
Yeah, you take that. Here you are.
Thank you, Sadan. Well, there you go. That's Gia going over the sky. She did it. Kind of. A stupid way, but she did it. Kind of. Again, the stupidest way she could, possibly. Anyway, where's she going? Bye.